Everybody, welcome back to a GCSE maths video. In this video we'll be looking at angles in triangles. So the key fact of this lesson is that all three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So these are our angles. You've got angle A, you've got angle B, and you've got angle C. If we add up each of these, always going to equal 180 all the time. Okay, so that means if we know two of the angles, we can infer the third. So take this example. We've got three angles. You've got your first, which is x, you've got your second, which is 60, and you've got your third, which is 80. And we know that A plus B plus C, we know that all of our angles are going to be equal to 180 degrees. So that's x plus 140 is equal to 180. That means that x is equal to 40. Don't forget your units, 40 degrees. Okay, so using that, let's kind of work out some practice problems. So same thing, basically. You've got three angles, they're going to add to equal 180. Let's find the unknown. So you've got 75 plus 80 plus x is equal to 180. So what's 75 plus 80? Well, that's going to be 155 plus x is equal to 180. That makes x equal to 25 degrees. Okay, and then the next one. So we can see that we've got kind of two labelled here. You've got your x and you've got your 40. What is this one here? So whenever we have that square, whenever we have that quarter turn, we know that's a right angle, so that's 90 degrees. So if you want, you can just label that on your diagram. And then let's do what we've been doing before, so adding up each angle. So you've got your 40 degrees plus your x plus your 90 is equal to 180. Just to kind of let you guys know, it doesn't matter which way you're adding this round. So you could do 40 plus 90 plus x. You could do x plus 90 plus 40, because addition doesn't matter which order you do it in. It's always going to be equal to 180. So if I just simplify the left-hand side, what's 40 plus 90? You've got 130 plus x is equal to 180. So you've got x is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so just a final set of questions here. So let's look at G. So again, you've got two angles labelled, but we know that this quarter turn is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so you've got x plus 27 plus 90 is equal to 180 because that's how many degrees are in a triangle. So you've got x plus, what's 27 plus 90, 117 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So if we solve for x, minus 117 from both sides, well, x should be equal to 63 degrees. We're basically saying what plus 117 is equal to 180. And then h, so you've got x, again, we're just doing the same thing, so we're adding up all the interior angles, equaling them to 180, solving for that unknown. X plus 99 plus 36 is equal to 180, simplifying that left-hand side. X plus 135, just on 99 plus 36, is equal to 180. Solving for x, minus 135 from both sides, you've got x is equal to 45 degrees here. I said it earlier, but I just want to say again, never forget your units, which are degrees, just because it's a really easy way to pick up marks in the exam. You don't want to lose a mark. Just because you forgot a little circle above the number. Okay, and then finally you've got two angles labelled. What is this third angle? Well, it's a square, it's a quarter turn, it's a right angle, it's 90 degrees. So let's just add up our angles. 81 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. So if we just clean up this left-hand side, what's 81 plus 90? Well, it's 171. Plus x is equal to 180, and then x is equal to 9 degrees. So we just solve for x, minus 171 from both sides. Okay, so you might be doing this and you're thinking, how do I know if I'm getting the angle right? Well, you can just do a simple test at the end. Just add up all the angles that you've got and check, do they actually equal 180? If they don't, then you've gone wrong somewhere. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Again, the key takeaway is just knowing that all angles, all interior angles, so these are just your basically your angles on the inside of the triangle, they're going to add up to 180 degrees every single time.